Hello, and right, I'm going to show you today how to install cruise control, add a cruise control on 10 series Toyota Alphard. So basically, you gotta pull these covers off, which look like these. Right, pull them out with a little hook thing. I mean, I've used this, but which is broken anyway, but you get the point. Just put it behind somewhere and just pull it out. It just clips on, and it's a clip on, comes off easily. Then buy any standard Toyota cruise control stock from eBay. So basically, once you have this plug is fitted there, you take that out. Now the cruise control would come with a connector like this, and it's the same. It'll have something like this sort of clip which you need to pull out, because that is like a lock to hold the pins in. So you pull it out, just push it out. I'll use the little clips on both sides to push it in and lift it up a little bit. So do the same for the other end of this wire, which will have this sort of connector. Same principle applies. You pull this out so the pins are unlocked, and then the red one, you push it in, which is, you'll see an empty slot next to the blue wire, which is for the back of the steering for your horn. Oh, okay, it's off now. So, and just push the red wire of the cruise control into this. The earth wire, you can see I've attached it to a black wire, which is literally next to the where I've fitted the red one, and just strip it and just solder it onto with the black wire of the cruise and the connector, and that's all you have to do. And then just the cruise control will come with these screws. You just push it in, plug that back of the cruise stock, and I have the cover, but your ones might come with the right cover or not. So this is the cover which I will install after I finish. It's only a couple of screws standard on all that screw. Once you pull, there's one on this side, one on the other side. It doesn't come out. You just loosen it, and the airbag just pops out. And 10-minute job altogether. That's all it takes. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.